PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides expert commercial air duct cleaning services in Bala Cynwyd, PA, helping businesses maintain healthier indoor air quality and more efficient HVAC systems. Our professional team uses advanced equipment and proven techniques to thoroughly clean air ducts, vents, and HVAC components for offices, retail spaces, medical facilities, schools, and other commercial properties. Call our commercial air duct cleaning service today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a commercial air duct cleaning near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. Why is air duct cleaning important for commercial buildings? Over time, commercial HVAC systems collect pollutants that can circulate throughout the building. Regular air duct cleaning helps reduce allergens, odors, mold growth, and airborne particles, creating a healthier environment for employees, customers, and visitors. How often should commercial air ducts be cleaned? Most commercial properties should schedule air duct cleaning every 3 to 5 years, but facilities with high occupancy, medical environments, restaurants, or buildings with pets, smoke, or recent renovations may require more frequent service. What is your service area for the Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania service office? Our commercial air duct cleaning have served Bala Cynwyd, Mequon, Roxborough, Shawmont Valley, Belmont Hills, Manayunk, Winfield Heights, Belmont Village, Bala, Wissahickon, Lafayette Hill, Oak Hill, Marion Station, Chamounix, Overbrook, Pennsylvania. Where is your Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania commercial air duct cleaning office located? We are located at 100 Presidential Blvd number 303, Bala Cynwyd, Pennsylvania 19004. Our phone number is 610-672-3049. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Bala-Cynwyd.